Hello, welcome back. So today's video I will be doing a quick unboxing of this package. So Drizzle Beauty is so kind enough to send me their dip powder kit, and this one is called the Mythical set. So I will be putting the link in the description box. So I love that they included their dipping powder instruction manual. This is going to be super helpful for those of you who want to try dip powder for the first time. So this kit also comes with some buffer and hand file. I believe this one is their 180-100 grit file. It also comes with this cute small brush for dusting. I really love brushes. I am a makeup artist as well, so brushes is life. And of course, it also comes with a cuticle pusher or cleaner. And it has this tool. I haven't tried this one yet, but I believe this one is also for cleaning the cuticle area. So yeah, basically these are all that is included in this Mythical dipping kit. So this kit comes with 20 dip powders, and each dip powder contains 10 ml or 0.34 fluid ounces. And at the bottom it has the Mythical, which is the set, and the shade, number, and name. I also appreciate that their dip powders are sealed to avoid spillage. So yeah, I am so excited to try this kit, and their colors are so perfect for the spring and upcoming summer. So I will be showing you as well swatches of all of this. So here are the colors that I chose, but during the dipping process I used another 2 colors, so total of 8 dip powders from this collection. So let's begin. So I will be using gel base from Triple D. Sorry, I thought I was able to press the record button, but I just applied this tape and then applied gel base and then pour the dip powder. So in this mani, I will be doing all gel method. So now I am doing my second layer of gel base, and then I will be pouring again the dip powder. This shade is called Spellbound. And make sure to cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. After curing, I just dusted off all the excess powders, and now it's time to remove this tape. Since I cure it in the lamp with the tape on, it is a little bit hard to remove, but it is actually not super hard. You just want to apply pressure and pull it harder. And just in case you cannot remove all the tape, you can just take your hand file or your metal file to remove it. So I got this tape from Amazon. I will be putting the link in the description box. I don't know the exact name for this, but it is super helpful when doing color blocking. So I'm just going to apply another gel base, and as you can see, my finger is positioned this way. Make sure that it is like this so that the gel base won't touch the pink color that you did a while ago. So without curing, I'm just going to pour this dip powder. This color is called Celestial. So since this tape is no longer attached to my nail and it's already hanging on the side, I just removed it, and I am now going to cure this for 30 seconds. So I learned this video or technique from Nicole McArthur. I saw it from her YouTube video, so I will also be putting her channel down the description box. For Nicole's video, she used the regular dip base liquid. You can also do that. The process is just the same, just remove the curing in the lamp. So make sure to check her channel. She is super creative. I love her content. And yeah, so I am already on my third color, and this one is called Alien. So I keep on talking and talking without telling you guys that this nail design is a rainbow nail. So yeah. So after curing, I'm just going to remove this tape again and do my second layer. So usually I do 2 or 3 layers. It actually depends upon your preference how much layer you want to put, but for me 2 dips or 3 layers are already perfect. So after curing in the lamp, I'm just going to dust off the excess powder, and using this metal file, I'm just cleaning the sides of it. I also forgot to mention that I applied a clear dip powder before I started this color blocking. Because I applied my UNT peel base underneath, I just make sure that I have a protection, because sometimes when you don't apply clear dip powder on top of your peel base and when you use tape, so the chances are you can ruin your peel base underneath, so make sure to add a layer of clear dip powder to protect it. So I am already on my 4th color, and the color that I am using is called Myth. So I'm just going to let you watch and I will be back. So this is how it looks like. I already applied the colors, and half of my nail I pre-filed it during the process so that I can see if I need to add more. So now I'm just shaping and filing the half part of my nail, if that makes sense. So I did not apply a clear dip powder on top of this color, so I am just being gentle while filing so that I won't overfile or remove the colors. And for my middle, pinky, and thumb, I will be applying this color, which is Fantasy, also from the kit, and I will be doing it in the gel method as well. So I'm just applying gel base, and without curing, I will be pouring the powder on top of it and cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. So my camera did not record again, but I applied gel base and then I am now pouring the powder and cure it again in the lamp for 30 seconds. After curing, I am just dusting off all the excess powders and will be doing my last layer. So for this color, I did 3 layers. Using this water marble tool, I am just cleaning the sides and cuticle area. And for the fun part, I will be using this POSHY nail decal, and it is called Up Up and Away. So I'm just going to cut it. This design is going to be on my thumb. So I just put it in the water while I apply my gel base. And cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. After curing, I'm just going to remove the decal from the water and let it sit in this tissue paper to drain the water. And I just put it on my finger. My camera did not record it again, and I'm just pressing it, gently pressing it without moving it, because when you do that, you can destroy the decal. Using this cuticle pusher, I am just making sure that the decal is properly adhered to my nail. I will be cleaning the sides and removing the excess design using this nail polish remover, and I will be using this POSHY nail design cleanup brush to clean it. So I'm just going to dip it in the acetone and melt the remaining design. So I have chosen this hot air balloon with some clouds in it for my middle finger. So the process is just the same. I'm just going to let you watch and I will be back. It's now time to apply gel top coat. This one is from Triple D. But before I did this, I applied gel base on my ring finger and pointer finger. Cure it in the lamp for 30 to 60 seconds, and it's now time to apply cuticle oil. This one is, as usual, from Scales of a Mermaid in the scent Not Your Basic Vanilla. And it is finally done. I really enjoyed doing this mani. It is colorful and I love this Mythical dip powder kit from DRIZZLE Beauty. I will be putting all the products that I use in the description box. And of course, huge thanks to Nicole McArthur for this nail inspo. Go check her channel as well. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again on my next videos. Bye!